Assalamu alaikum and hi everyone. A warm welcome back to my channel. Hope everyone are keeping safe. This is a small clip when I traveled during the restriction day a week back for a doctor's appointment. Here in Sri Lanka, the island-wide travel restriction has been lifted yesterday by 4 am. From then onwards, it's freaking me out for the unstoppable noises of the vehicles. But as usual, inter-province travel restriction is still banned. And again, travel restriction will be imposed on Wednesday 23rd. As much as possible, avoid leaving home, as prevention is much better than cure. Now let's go into the video without further delay. Known as Ceylon olives or Veralus, 90s kids' favorite after-school snack. I got some Veralus from my in-laws' place, as they have cut down the tree. And my mom distributed half among neighbors because nobody would say no to Veralus. This Ceylon olives, known as Veralu, is used for various medicinal purposes. Not only the Veralus, but the bark of the tree and also leaves are used for medicinal purpose. In short, it solves a lot of health related issues. Today I am going to make Veralu achcharu, which is really famous in Sri Lanka. People carve for this achcharu without age difference. I have taken around 2 cups of Veralus, washed and dried. Two tablespoons of pepper powder, mustard 1 tablespoon. It's better if you have the mustard powder and I forget to crush them. I have added as it is sugar 4 to 5 tablespoons, salt 1 tablespoon and 2 to 3 tablespoons of chili powder. You can add vinegar 4 to 5 tablespoons in this stage and make a thick paste and keep it aside. Now to boil the Veralus, I used a mud pot as the whole process will be done in the mud pot, as you will get an extraordinary taste when you do this way. Pour around 3 to 4 cups of water until the Veralus are completely covered with water, and do not add salt. Instead you will be adding only turmeric powder half a tablespoon. Give it a mix and let it boil for around 10 to 20 minutes till you see the cracks on Veralu. Do keep it in low flame throughout the process. I have ordered some brownies and yeah, I got it now. The brownies were soft and really delicious, and planning to order more. I couldn't stop with one piece, so it went with one after the other. If you are in and around Candy, let me know. I would give their contact for sure. And coming back to our Veralus, it has boiled and the Veralus are cracked. As you can see, in this stage you can remove it from the stove. Use a spoon and press slightly so that when you add the spices, the Veralus will finally get caught. In the same mud pot, add 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil and add the mixed spices in it. And then 2 to 3 tablespoons of drained water and stir. Now add the Veralus and remove from the stove after 2 minutes. Store in an airtight glass bottle in the refrigerator and you can use it for about 1 month. If you try this Veralu achcharu, do not forget to tag me on Instagram. And while I was enjoying Veralu, it was raining outside. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, do click on the subscribe button and do not forget to click on the bell icon too.